C-arm image intensifier is an important part of C-arm. The X-ray emitted by X-ray source is first converted into visible light through the input conversion screen of image intensifier. The visible light irradiates the photocathode and emits electrons. After acceleration and focusing, the electron beam bombards the fluorescent output screen to produce visible image. The imaging mode of the C-arm is very similar to that of the pinhole camera. X-rays are emitted from a point source, penetrate the object, and eventually project onto the imaging surface. The point light source is equivalent to the pinhole in the pinhole camera model, and the X-ray is equivalent to the ordinary light in the camera model. Therefore, the pinhole camera model can be used to approximately replace the C-arm imaging model. If you are interested in our C-arm image intensifier, please feel free to contact us.